Okay, we're gonna replace this thing. It's a big flushing toilet. Oh, wonderful. They have these old... Oh, it actually works. Surprised, to be honest with you. That flange looks low. But I don't know. Get all the water out of there. I'm using my transfer pump to pump out toilets lately because I don't know, I'm just tired of my I'm tired of my shop vac being all moldy on the inside. The shop vac gets so moldy, dude. So moldy and nasty. I don't want to use it anymore. All right, this flange is a good 1 inch below finished floor. This is the rough end measurement is 11 1/4. So I got a 10-inch rough toilet. Huh. Not good. Not good, man. I could double wax it. I'm gonna have to bust out this tile to even get these bolts out, dude. There's something going on with this because I have this bolt loose right here. I have it loose, right? But I can feel that there's something below this. There's something that this is holding on to below it. And I'm thinking, because there's something below this that's holding that on. This is not, clearly this has never been, this is the original, for sure. I might have to crawl under to see what's going on because this is not, there's something below this flange. It's almost like, See, look. There's something below it, dude. I can feel it right there. Look how far my screwdriver is in. See, you can see the bolt, look. You can see that if the bolt, you see what I'm saying? Look. If this was the dog ears right here, there's plenty of space for this to come out. There's something below this, dude. And I cannot get this out. I've never seen this before. Dude, you for sure can't see this. These bolts, there's like this much bolt underneath this flange. Wow. I turned the light on and I could just see down through this void. What is going on here? It's almost like there's a flange on top of a flange. The bolts are like this long beneath whatever the heck this is. I mean, obviously it's some kind of flange. pretty sure this is a raised foundation. Okay, the bathroom, let's see. I think this is the bathroom, right? I gotta crawl under there real quick. Let me get my, okay, I got the old crawl suit on. See what the heck is going on with this flange. Here's your closet, Bend. I can't see anything. It's just wood. I don't know what they did. I don't know what they did. I can't see anything. All right, I'm going to cut those bolts. I'm going to try to use one of these. I don't know if it's going to work, but let me cut these out. We'll try to get that insta set flange, whatever you call these things. Okay, well, that's in there, dude. That is freaking in there. I just had to pound my foot against that. Now the next challenge is going to be securing this to the floor. So, but that's perfect, almost. I mean, once I screw that in, it'll, I mean, that's right on top, right? Yeah. Once I screw it in, it'll be all right. But I was stomping on it so hard, I broke the tile a little bit right there. It's okay, it's not gonna hurt anything. I got these cobalt bits. They're supposed to be for drilling through cast iron. I've never used them. You know, in all honesty, I could just leave this and it'd probably be fine. Because that sucker is in there, dude. But I don't want to do that. So we'll try these bits. Okay. Tool review time. These Milwaukee cobalt bits, I am actually thoroughly surprised. It went right through the cast iron. I mean, quickly as well. And the bit is still decent. So, all right. So I'm gonna do a couple more here. I'll probably do one right here, and one right here, and do this one next right here. This last one's being stubborn. I just want to get one more right here, and this thing will be perfect. This last one's being stubborn, but it may be because this bit, I don't know, that bit looks good. All right, let me keep trying. Okay, now I got that one in. That one's freaking in, dude. just to prove it. Okay. Good. Good. Now let me clean up this area, and we'll set the new toilet. Okay, looking good so far. Now I'm gonna put the toiletta on there. I'm gonna have to shim this, I bet, because that feels very unlevel. I really had to push down on that. Get that sucker on there. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, we got the tank bolts, and it comes with all of this stuff. So let's go ahead and get the, it's gonna go like that, right? Yeah. Let's get these on there. Okay, I'm gonna tighten these down before I put the tank on. Okay, those are on. I've been using this more. The way I remember what size for the bolt is poop brown. Poop for toilet, literally. That's how I remember. Because I have like a set of these and I can never remember. Okay. So we'll cut those here in a second. I want to get this set up first. One of my other videos, some guy was saying that the rubber grommets are supposed to go there. He's like, they're supposed to go on the outside, on the bottom. I'm like, no, they're not, bro. They're for sure supposed to go inside the tank. I can't remember what brand toilet. I think it was an American Standard, but they also had grommets for right here. And I was like, oh, that's cool. As a matter of fact, I think I installed a Home Depot toilet, and then they had a set of grommets for under. Just thought that was, it's like, how much extra does that cost them to add those? You know what I mean? I like the shape of these toilets. I think they look really cool. I love these toilets. It's the Drake. Okay, now we just and then that's it. This floor is scrizzy, dude. It is really bad. Makes it extremely unlevel. Now that I notice how bad it is, you can kind of see how it kind of goes that way. I haven't caulked it yet, but I can't even tell it's showing. Don't forget to, where are my mini chins? Snug up your packing nuts. That one actually needed a little snugging. Okay, this is nice and tight. Make sure there are no leaks. Such a great toilet. I don't see any leaks. Snug that up. I'll put the seat on and continue to test. Alright, I'm done a flushing. A little slow close action. Oh yeah. There are no leaks whatsoever. Okay, made in Vietnam. Put this on, and then we'll caulk it, and that'll be it for this toilet install.